POR-15 Cleaner Degreaser represents a revolutionary breakthrough in metal cleaners. It is an industrial-strength cleaner that's non-flammable, water-based, and has no noxious odors, chlorinated solvents, or petroleum products. Its high-tech formula emulsifies dirt, grease, oil, mildew, algae, musty odors, soap films, and wax. POR-15 Cleaner Degreaser is the first step in preparing surfaces for POR-15 rust preventive coating in the POR-15 three-step system. POR-15 Cleaner Degreaser cleans and degreases metal, plastic, wood, fiberglass, and painted surfaces including engines, fuel tanks, and transformers. Also works well on closed systems including air conditioning, boiler tubes, compressor lines, heat exchangers, and coils. POR-15. Follow the leader from rust to finish.